This is the whole essence, you see, of seeing. If you really see into this secret, that the world doesn't contain any serious threats in it, because it's all the basic you running up behind itself and saying boo to see if you can get yourself to jump out of your skin. If you see that, be cool. The rule about all terrors, going back to where I started from, the dweller on the threshold, the rule for all terrors is head straight into them. When you are sailing in a storm, you don't let a wave hit your boat on the side. You go bow into the wave and ride it.
I'm the king of my own land. Facing tempest and dust, I'll fight till the end. Creatures of my dreams raise up and dance with me. Now and forever, I'm your
Whenever you meet a ghost, don't run away. Because the ghost will capture the substance of your fear and materialize itself out of your own substance, and will kill you eventually, because it will take over all your own vitality. So then, whenever confronted with a ghost, walk straight into it, and it will disappear. When you are sailing in a storm, you don't let a wave hit your boat on the side. You go bow into the wave